Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to edit this picture using the Lightroom Mobile App. So, let's start editing. First, go to Light, bring the exposure plus 0.10. Contrast to plus 45. Highlights to negative 50. Shadows to negative 70. Bring the whites negative 10. And blacks to negative 30. Now go to curve. I have copied the previous curve settings. And done. Next go to color. Bring the temperature negative 15. Plus 10 for tint. Vibrance to plus 25. And saturation to plus 7. Now go to color grade. Bring the hue to 360 and saturation to 30 for shadows. And blending to 100. Bring the hue to 163 and saturation to 40 for highlights. And done. Now go to color mix. Go to red, hue to negative 50, saturation to plus 20, and luminance to plus 5. Next go to orange, hue to plus 12, and saturation to negative 10. Next go to yellow, hue to negative 10, saturation to negative 20, and luminance to plus 40. Next go to green, bring the saturation negative 20. Next go to aqua, hue to plus 30, and luminance to negative 30. Finally go to blue, hue to negative 10, and saturation to plus 14. And done. Now go to Effects. Clarity and Haze to plus 20. Bring the vignette negative 10, and midpoint to 0. Plus 100 for feather. Finally go to details. Bring the sharpening to 15. Noise reductions and color noise reductions to 20. And done. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye guys.